me hate that thing. You know, you need to make that sound.
Oh.
Make it, even if I'm not doing anything to it, but just make. I love that sound. You get. I'm like, now they so dry, you know. Just so can just satisfy themselves. They do not get out.
This is Latara. Latara. Eh? Ngozi na what you are Latara.
No.
I know you did not understand. She said if you are inside her and you want to change style, you don't come out.
But you have to come out so you can change style.
You move with it. That's her own scope. Latara.
Wow. I mean, I don't know how that's gonna happen though.
Nanya is a lateral thing that sex is adventure.
Okay, so so what about if you're doing you know, you guys are like, you know, you are writing. So how are you gonna write? I mean, how are you gonna not move your dicklet in the back to do doggy or to do sound? It's impossible now.
It's over to her.
Oh no.
Now he is lying down and you are driving. You are riding, sorry. All you need to do is to make an adjustment towards the edge of the bed. Then you hold his two hands and roll over. You find yourself on the bed.
Nah, that doesn't work. I mean, I don't know because I'm very flexible. So
and I
gotta see it. I gotta watch a video to see it.
I say you gotta watch a video. Yeah. Meanwhile,
I mean, you know, but you know when you are on top because I love writing and I'm writing, I'm kissing you, and then I'm gonna talk. You know, I want you to spank my ass. I'm gonna band and you're gonna do doggy.
Oh.
I mean, and then after that we're gonna decide.
Okay.
All you need to do is move towards the edge of the bed, one side, so that you have enough space to roll over. You roll yourself over. It's not gonna come out. It can't pull out. Never. It still remains there. Then from there, you want to go to the back. All you need to do is to cross the other one leg. If you go through both, from both you can do lazy girl. From lazy girl, then you position to do.
Hey,
I told you everything online.
I need to see that. I mean, I'm sure I need to see that.
The funny thing is that people, this thing they talk, people they actually play up for their head.
I cannot play in my head.
Because I can't understand.
Thank you.
Nanya.
I don't understand.
Nanya. Ihe abụọ tụọ ga-abụ ị na-ala igwunye amụ a na-emove ị na-ebu it's not gonna be, it's not the most important thing bụ na egwurila amụ there. The other movement can be happening. You get to go?
I don't know. I don't understand that.
You won't understand. Everything is.
I'm older than 4 carat, and I have so much experience. So trust me, I don't understand that.
I'm saying everything is all about. You see me?
Okay.
Even though I'm retired.
No. Listen. So you're saying now we're doing it, right? Boom, boom, and then I hold this stuff. I go back again.
No.
Just sit and
so
face
just
him.
Put my leg up. Just put my leg up then, right? And then he switched out.
No. I'm gonna speed him for a guy. All you need to do.
They say, fuckery, I'm coming to Asaba tomorrow. Yeah.
How did you know that in Asaba?
No, fuckery, you should make a video so we can learn.
See, Ngozi, somebody is saying come to Houston and understand.
I don't need to come to Houston. I have a lot of Nigerians in PG that can understand. Thank you.
It's a matter of you get this feeling. It's something as good as If you put it in there, you leave it in there. You can move it with it. You can move with it. You know? I was one of my
It's a movable substance.
Veranda. Still on it.
I don't know why. I'm too short. Maybe maybe I can't do that because I'm too short. I don't know.
Oh
God. No, see, I want everybody to keep an open mind. More each. Oh yeah, you do the one you do behind closed doors. She's letting you in on a little secret. Just like the ones you do, you know.
No, bro, I don't pretend.
It's not a matter of pretending. It's a matter of
talking about hey, Charles, you just call me local.
Right.
Hey, I could have killed a lot of
people. I'm sorry, but some people you have here, their mindset is village mindsets. Right,
Village man, that's why I tell you, don't look at that. You are talking with me.
Now.
Comment section is comment section. Comment section have people happy, right?
That's not possible for a big girl. That's not possible.
See, let me tell you something.
Me, this person, you're all right. Who is this person?
No, I am not a pretender. Okay, thank you.
Go
address. Like just that man, I think.
I'm disturb my happiness.
That this OB Onyebule, what that this girl in pink is pressing her bobby.
Oh,
how do I have my hand?
Oh, if I didn't have one fantasy, see, let me. The Marga no quality spam and cock now. Again, it's no way no can be doing him. Oh, no can be doing him. So, fuck it. I'll come back on your water more ditchy. I appreciate you, big giver. Ngozi, the full receiver that can reciprocate. Okay, Ngozi, if you receive, you can give.
I'm a receiver and I'm a giver.
Yes, I know people like that too. Yeah. See, don't take anybody like it's not the way they do it. No, any more ditchy. From always. Always can on ya in a kin another. In I like what I made that is a cabby who talking at because they have every who focus in Angamo nine on Cabby and Abacamissi on Angamo nine. Hi. Wine of Fiacoro, no one of Fiaca trips. Melon the sing I am looking on I got up here.
When the man is doing it on me doing it on the man.
Yes, when do you get to maximum pleasure? Can you born a togo to win a make on banner? Oh, banner meg. Okay, banner meg again exactly. Which one exactly?
Like Clito.
Just so you concentrate, so just chalo. Oh well, in a day, ma'am, no give me more tea. Never talk with that.
What?
See, him on when done about an guamo and up a quack and Clito.
Yeah,
in a Mary. In a like, focus on another one. Silver one, and I like it. Ane guama na pakwaka no Clito.
Yeah.
Again.
Ana pakwaka no Clito at the same time.
I'm not on the cat.
Especially when males, like there's this. I love it. I don't know.
To me, the distraction.
Nanya. I am the mother for just the very young way or ya Maggie Hotcher. Yana for na Choma Wester, whoever. Choma Wester is or again make hot him an idea. More the teaching. When the natural car follow, you see how you like it. To have a go clito. Ngozi like to, talk to the Bobby.
And there's this thing I don't like about most men. Like if there are men here that does that, I think like they should stop it. Like, if you're making out with a girl, I think you should mourn. Like I don't like the man that kind of eboti kind of there's no sound, there's no baby, that kind of thing. So, and me hate that thing. You need to make that sound. Make it, even if I'm not doing anything to it, but just make. I love that sound. You get. I don't like now they so dry. Just satisfy themselves and do not get out. I love men when you communicate.
So you don't like when phone cry.
Okay, phone cry.
Oh no. Bedroom phone cry,
Yeah.
At least. At least all the important Emma na wine I like can work in a not a feeling. Because some wine in a send the room okay like that, working
Can you add a man? Like remove me and add a man. I want to hear what they have to say.
Okay, add a man.
Yeah, remove me and add a man into it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I want to hear what the men have to say.
Which man have to say something?
Any man, just add any man. I want to hear what they want to say about them.
How are you?
And remove yourself.
I don't know how to remove myself.
Hold on. Because if I remove you now, it might not go off.
No, remove me and add a man. There. I want to know what the men have to say.
Okay. Yeah, can you hang us in?
No, because I said I'm.
Ngozi are the rude here now. Happen on Ngozi now. Because now when Amaramun cover rude and Canabro. I never want to the frequency maximum. Now for the Konya where I want to.
So yeah, I just the word for.
For how often can I have a daughter? I'm not gonna use that as a see. It's again.
Oh, yeah, just here. I'm not here. I'm in a worry.
Oh, you are in a worry. For how often can I have a how often can I leave something?
I could stay 3 months at times.
3 months, ja. Hey. 3 months. 3 months, okay, you just see one. Or the one another 3 months.
Yeah.
You just can I some add me? Can you keep me some add me? Put request. Say your name. Clear corner. Charge flashlight. Can I keep me some add? Meanwhile, Oya is back. Save on ever, save on here. Then I bear on WhatsApp. I have been Oya December project. I need Jimo State. You know how we do. So Sunday I make any official. Makande I got my party this year. After government didn't strippers. It booked the strippers. Westfall, whatever one year I got boy came and I can't too much. So I know what it to God. See, whatever happens, he can see my house is Yeah, just you can the whole party.
That's you people's business if you want to believe it or not. I think my highest time duration without intercourse is 11 months. Yeah, that's my
11
highest time duration, and I'm telling you now, like 3 months if I'm not mistaken, because I had my appendicitis like let's say 8 weeks ago or 9 weeks ago. So,
oh, you're not saying WhatsApp. Add me on my inbox, then I can get you there.
like 8-9 weeks ago. So,
all of again, I took us.
The way you said it now.
Yeah, because some of my if I got a butchery,
Ojimo now.
I'm not working. Imasquana ever pendy na do a sweet for dinner. It's was the young Bama.
Hello.
Lasky.
Hola.
Oh, Jawani.
Muito.
Dawani Aliwe.
Bom dia, Waga.
Okay.
Waga, come with you. I'm not already before.
Biguna.
That's Siva's voice. Yes.
Biguna yakwana ngozi una abia kwana ba basu. Wanu wa yo ngozi. I had a chokwu here. I had a member of Quandom Mara. I have done a lie with the person. There's a Rubel in the house, and what did it? Ha, Jawani. Okay.
I just saw that. Now, what chicken?
Bolondo to get you on WhatsApp. Boloha, go. Solunu save about on WhatsApp.
Can make her dress now. So, deal to me. O nwere mgbakọta anyị na-eme a na-akpọ ya onye nyere nyanye. Anyị emego nke ndị Enugu steeti mee nke ndị Anambra, nke a bụzi nke a ruru ndị Imo steeti, and the game may happen on the 25th of December. Man, flyer is not out yet. So
and the date.
Because you are Delta Evo. What part of Delta Evo? The date can't be ready yet. I'm just trying to give you info. You know, gonna be my person now. And so, if you're in my course, I got a batana group by lifestyle, OPP lifestyle. He sent there a message nature batana the WhatsApp group.
Oh yes.
He were he get contribute to where say genete ndị na-enwere ọra ha, you know, ka ha were gbaa December. Ndị ọ na-enwere data na-enwere ịntanetị ka i were nyere ndị be anyị aka ka ha nwee ike gbaa Christmas ọfụma. Yeah, so we reach so many. So we reach so many families. Both
yes.
I got boring. No worry. Yes. So, for again, come up with cheerful. They can be my page. One okay or neighbor wine. They not in this year, but this year I go back around a month plus, right? Naturally, no dinner far or early next year before Easter. I didn't work what the WhatsApp. There, fine girls, fine things. They are there, you know. And we have good age. We have.
I'm a no Kim and I did a serious.
Some Arabia. I want to come. Yes, you will come. I will be there live in Owerri. So,
yeah.
I want to come.
Daisy.
Okay, you can add the person now.
Of course, all Batana group. Just write add me.
Yes, literally Batana the group. Just write add me. Can you copy up Kendi? Na okay na chinku okay bukwa free. Why? Gonna put 10,000 after today, after this week. Each add here na this because obu na program that this serious. So you know that place is a serious place and you will get what you want by God's grace. Now, there you get it.
So for nwoke ga-akwụ ụgwọ for the group is not free.
I say add me, please. Bịa gwago m unu hapụrụ Ngozi aka.
The group are free. And
the
anụ anyị na-ekwu maka onye nyere nye ị ga-abịa ka ị bịa anya ka enye onye ọzọ.
I am add me just to see. They don't know they'll come. Ma onwe group onwe sound
Kelebe the sound sabi. O si n'aka
mgbe ọ bụ
Waga.
Yeah? Nsị gị na ha ka ndị a ji kpọta m n'otu a na group ahụ wee cheta na taa bụ Friday wee si ihe menụ ọ na-afịọ dau etetara ara m ụlọ otu nakwa ebe ebutere ụgbọ amụ a na-akpụrụ amụ n'ime moto amụ ha ka poolu eletrik nsị na ọgwụ ụdị nke fọkọrị na like ba amụ
Waga, etigo m fọkọrị esendigo m ya link to that. Mmesendịrịkwa ga another one. Nke gị nke na-aga nke ndị ọzọ awụ ọkọchana.
Mba,
ọ bụ na waga ji WhatsApp gị waga add gị through WhatsApp.
I get Zuba
that WhatsApp then add them because sometimes when I feel married, it add it through WhatsApp, so I send link. Okay. And that link in web broadcast, you put it so a lot of people, especially the mobile, you know.
WhatsApp group, I go 200. I need it.
Or go 200.
I go.
Yeah, so, I think it's 190 or 180 something.
If everyone is more
for men, how much? For marriage, you have to be very serious. You have to be. I have to interview you. I have to talk to you one-on-one. I have to know how serious you are before I'm not adding in that group.
My group, lifestyle dumping ground. You have to prove your seriousness. I'm sorry, I won't put you there. Why not there? You know.
Yes.
Actually, no, didn't check quite on who no di. And when I see them add me, I see fine girl. Them add me in my inbox. You can get there. Or you just saver will sort you out.
Right.
Because December project coming, Imo State. Because I'm a guy who I never be a before. But meanwhile, I want a party. You get an album gava. And then on a WhatsApp group, I will give you people exclusive if you dinner. At least before those are not new cuts or in house. Yeah. So
how much? How much for the group? The group was initially 50,000 naira. That's $50. It was initially $50, but for now, I name me for the people now join this group today from Waga Life today. I got put 30,000. For yes, that's what I'm saying. I'm not joining the group today from this Waga Life as the promo is going on is for 30,000 naira. So if you're interested, you must be very serious. You send me a DM. You send DRM DM, need to join the group, or you send DRM to Waga. But I only to join the OPP lifestyle, which is just a normal group that you don't need to pay anything. Just ask for the link of the OPP lifestyle. We'll send it to you.
I'm sorry. Can I ask you something, Saver? So, in order for you to join the group, you have to pay money because you want to find a husband or you want to find a wife.
Right.
But don't you find a wife when you go out there more than paying money?
How many have you found since you've been single? How many husbands have you found?
I choose to I choose a lot. I choose to be single because men are so annoying.
Okay, that's why they choose.
She's not involved in that.
What check and reply? Yeah, that's how some men too. choose to be alone, but they just want it. Maybe they don't want to be out there meeting different ladies, so they decide to slide into someone's DM, talk to someone and say, hey, can you help me find someone for me to marry? I'm ready for marriage and I want to get to know someone. Can you introduce someone to me? For like example, our president here, what he told us about his own love life, how he was introduced someone to him. So it's not a bad idea.
How much is it again? Because I have friends in London that need to get married.
Let me hold on. Let me clear because hold on. It's not about the money. It's about show seriousness. Because my problem, I can even refund you your money that day if you don't show
if you misbehave.
Like I'm gonna refund they get very soon. The goal is to have visible weddings that we OPP will participate.
Right.
And we start seeing union. Yes, we start seeing unions. At least episode 2 and I say, okay, so and so they got married here. So and so they got married here.
That's what I was asking Saber. How much is it? Is it? I don't know neither. So I need. Can you please explain?
It's $20 for ladies. $20.
Oh, that is it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's $50 for men.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, men.
But for today we're having promos, so for men it's $30.
But funny enough, I have more women than men.
Oh.
Men are scarce.
Yeah, so we need more men.
Men are scarce. Men are
Which
scarce.
one is men are scarce? Waga, which kind of
men are scarce.
No, men don't want to bring money. You know how many men that have brought me, they want to bring that group. But to bring that money is a problem for the men are not scarce. It's free. That's why it's free. That time when we opened initially, it was free for ladies. Okay, so that is why you have more ladies there. We men are stingy. They don't want to bring out 50, and they are looking for wife. How can you be looking for a wife and you don't have 50,000 to pay for the group?
Because they say they like you.
I don't want them to like me, but
the guy.
Okay, I don't care who likes me or not.
But so we have a lot of ladies. We have from the age of 25 to 43.
Oh,
okay. Yeah, that's the perfect age for me.
Yeah, I know. I was saying, I like invite friends from London.
Invite friends.
I like them when they're up to 40.
40. I like in the 40, yeah.
Lion King.
From 35 at least.
Because I have a lot of
fine girls.
Somebody says Silver man has family problem. If you're a man and you want to get married, you go in wine. Can you have 50,000? Can you work? Can you chop wine in a group? It's not a big buy for free. It's already chain one. You get go because not a family gain a cheap plan together with.
Oh, so you have to have money to have. Someone...
If you're planning to get married, is it paper you used to marry? Use money now.
Oh, I don't know. What God no? Here we don't. I don't know. Here it's not like that. That's why I don't know. I don't know.
So you guys don't marry when you buy cakes and invite people. You don't cook. You don't call DJ. You don't pay bride price in your place.
No.
Kelly,
Kelly, do
you know him?
Kelly, do you know any JC?
Can you bring him
fitness?
up? I don't know him. Can you bring
Somebody says, Silver, relax. Toyota Corolla, please don't put me together with him.
Nanya, Silver, Osgo, other Miranda advert, and I all you need here, I'll meet you.
Yes, in the day, it's serious.
Go, Mama, get him nipple,
yes, but we don't like if you want to get married, you can get married at the courthouse.
See,
it's like $75.
Why
don't do all that?
Bride price.
Ngozi, these guys are busy researching your nipple. Somebody
I
is
said
busy.
today it's
Hold
30,000,
on.
not 50. Waga, please. People are saying that the 50 is too much. You see what I'm saying?
50,
A man wants to get married and he's
$50
saying
is
that
not too much. Oh
50,000
my
is too
goodness.
much. What can
Wrong.
you say about this, my friend? My friend, what can you
That's
say about this?
$50?
Yeah,
You can't pay $50?
they said it's
Sad.
too much. Can you imagine a man that wants to get married?
Nanya.
Today is 30,000, my people. Today is 30, not 50. 30,000 naira. Today is
I will pay for
$30.
anyone serious. See, Stanley say, I will pay for anyone serious.
Okay,
See,
any serious man, you can volunteer yourself. Stanley is here to pay for you.
see, the only thing that can guarantee you are serious is you pay. If not, if I say, okay, make it free, people will come and
Yes, they won't value the
you will
group,
fuck this one,
and
fuck
they
this
won't
one,
respect
fuck
the
this
group.
one.
The group have rules and regulations.
No. Everybody not allowed to ditch, everybody can't ditch. Meanwhile, moving ahead. Nebiko, I just want to know.
Somebody said,
Ngozi.
Yes, Mr. Waga.
Somebody wrote that you have a big nipple. Is that true or
Charles,
false?
I mean,
I'm
I don't
going
understand.
to
We are
block someone
Nigerians.
here. I'm
All
blocking
Nigerians have big
Charles.
nipples.
Charles
All.
Nelson 77.
Fuckery.
Sir?
Kereba Kagere.
It's in our blood, right? All Nigerians have big nipples.
Fuckery, big nipple. Fuckery already big. Nipple
Oh my
already big.
God.
Already big. Eh?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Nipple got big.
It is.
Thank you.
Already big.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, someone said, I'm a serious. If you're serious, lady, send me a DM.
See what's about money. She don't give it. She's like, let me let you know.
Send me a DM if you're serious. Don't forget, today,
Right.
promo today. Ladies, we're free. Ladies, 10,000, men, 30,000. Today is promo day. Send a DM.
And it's guaranteed, right?
Guarantee
Of course.
you will. It is serious. You tell them marry. It is serious.
If you're serious. Ladies today, 10K. Men today, 30,000. If you're serious, please, I'm open. I have another phone. I'm receiving your messages now. Please start sending messages.
Start sending money. Moolah. Ego. Start sending ego now.
Because
Shop.
Ulna Seva Jakube, Ulna Seva Kube.
Wait, one minute. You, my friend, you said you have your friends, your female friends, male friends.
Yeah, a lot of Nigerian women in London.
Bring them.
They don't have no
Bring
husband.
them in. This place is reliable. I think you trust our president.
How do you send the money,
and it's very secure.
How do you send it? Cash out or
anything you want, any currency, cash out, PayPal, whatever, we have it. Don't worry.
Okay.
Anything you're looking for, just reach out.
No, my friend was telling me that he joined the group last week.
Now my problem. Okay, you see as you are promoting this thing, you see as she's promoting this thing. Somebody will come and pay now. Then future wine, fine girls not today. You know what they will say?
I can
no. Save now you I will not this save and I want this particular one.
This is the problem with this.
They will say now this particular saver. I want. Now this one.
And then they should pay double, right?
I am your admin, so please don't want me.
Right.
Saver. This is how we're gonna do it. I will be better in a fat
Good night, one. Good night, everyone.
Okay, Waga, DM me and let me know how like if you do we send you the money through WhatsApp or
because you are not looking for husband, just join. Stay where you are. Stay where you are.
I'm talking about my friends. I have some American,
your friends.
Okay, no I have some American girls that wants to get married to Nigerian men. They love the deal.
They like big prick. They
like cassava now. Yeah.
What kind of cassava they like? Tell me.
You already know cucumber.
The bended one or straight one?
The big one.
Oh, the big one. They
You
like the bended
know,
one.
you know, American girls like big ones.
Worldwide, it's a worldwide phenomenon. It's not about American.
No, American girls, they are the worst. Trust me. They love Nigerian men. They do. Yeah.
It's not every Nigerian man that have big prick.
But for them, in their mind, they think that the Nigerian men, they think,
All of them.
the Nigerian men has like, satisfy them good, better than, I mean, don't get me wrong. A lot of Black Americans, they're good, but they feel like Nigerian men are more like bigger.
Bigger.
Yeah.
But akata bi na sana akata sago ga fere before. Akata na sa ja fere no ha jerin. You know no.
No, I'm saying I have a
like,
friend right now. I wish I can put her in here.
If
I
you
have
like,
a friend. I wish I could
make
put her
you
in.
big from now till tomorrow. May a long reach Niger Bridge. Own Oshike or rubbish.
Quite fokore.
Fokore.
They are fokore.
Yes,
fokore.
Daddy.
I think I will hasten your worldwide recognition.
Mm-hmm. Yes, please.
I will hasten. You are there already.
Of course.
And as somebody that is a giver and a website explore, what I get about Taga, I'm going like yeah, one dog got we idea. It's an attribute and our guy is looking for.
You need to give her a certificate. She needs to give her
She needs a certificate, a certified if I didn't. Yes. I here. Legendary in the making.
Why can't you get a degree in sex therapy? They pay well a lot here.
Oh really?
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm Bobby America, but they're born no good now. Oh, go degree.
Yeah, but they don't pay her well there.
I'm not working. I'm not a sex therapist.
You don't work?
No, I'm a student.
Oh, you're a student. Students don't work?
See, Nigeria is not like America. You ask work. People who graduate never see work. You talk to them.
They talk work. Like, please,
we should support Fokker then.
The work we do in Nigeria is sporting bet.
That's what that's my profession.
Niger bet.
Yeah.
I take my time. I forgot my football.
We need to support
Veteran Fokker.
Yeah, she's very good. We need to support her.
See. You know, so for school, guys, how you good you go be? They go push you front.
Yeah.
Fokker, no need to waste time in the lower deck.
Yeah.
No need to waste time there.
I like
her. You like her,
Yeah, I think that we should help her. Yeah.
Help her. You want to help her? Fokker.
Yeah, like she's not working. She's in school and.
Okay. No problem. And when you Fokker job, me sorry you go where you go. Fokker, do you mind?
Do you mind?
Hey, somebody say sporting bet and hook up. My dear, hook up is
I'm not supporting evil. She's a woman that has respect. Thank you.
See, why are you so engaged with this conversation?
No, because some people need to put their planes.
My love, I want you to understand something. Like my age figure is just 23, but you see, with this 23, I've got a whole lot of experience and I'm freaking them matured. You see, when people come to your comment section to write all this shit, bro, just leave it and pass, because no matter how much you lay down yourself for people, they will still match you so flat and hard and tell you that you're not flat enough. So just fuck it off.
Funny, the same people that talk a crap, my DM is filled. That's why I don't even reply to some of them.
Kelly should be introduced into the Hall of Fame. Hall of Fame, any did there. Now you can go in a joke. Now you Fokker, Monagana, Mavankata, have to comment. In the comment section, look it with a grain of just in a tie. Or that
I'm not in school.
Ask you who is your love. You see, when they called Ngozi my love, Ngozi I said,
I'm not the love. My love is Mario.
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 Oh, your love is Mario. Oh, okay.
Jawad is my love.
Oh,
it's my Mario.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, you got covered. Go there and get fucked. Huh?
We did already.
No, it's been 3 months.
June.
It's been 3 months, man.
He's coming here.
Huh?
He's coming.
Yeah, why? Jack.